Brand mentions and social listening data are much more powerful if they're not just trapped in a dashboard or part of a vanity metric. Ideally, you actually do something with that data. Build workflows, trigger automations, or analyze the data the way that is important to you and your team. So what we did is we built our MCP server for Octolens. So your brand monitoring data can now work for you inside your favorite AI tool like Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, etc. We have step-by-step instructions. It takes literally 2 minutes to set up with your favorite AI tool. I'll show you in Claude. So here in Claude, I might ask, what are some ideas for new features for Octolens based on my Octolens brand mentions? So it'll go and fetch all the brand mentions. So here we go, based on actual social listening data on sites like Reddit, Twitter, LinkedIn, Hacker News, etc. We have actual feedback for our product or suggestions of what we can include here. Integration and workflow enhancement, hence MCP coming out there. Pricing and flexibility. The list goes on based on actual user conversations. We could do something else, ask it to pull all the negative Reddit mentions and help draft responses in my voice, or create a weekly summary of all posts that mention pricing specifically. You can build whatever is important to you based on your social listening data, and the mentions become much more actionable. Setup takes 2 minutes. It's part of all of our plans, even our free trial. So go to octolens.com, try it out. I'm excited to see what people build.